Hello YouTube. Today we're gonna attempt to make a homemade piston ring grinder. Uh, this is a multi-position small vise. What I'm gonna be using is a 90-degree Harbor Freight angle grinder. Put it in here. I just let it bottom out. Okay, now to check if I'm straight, I use an Allen wrench. They're perfectly 90 degrees. So now you got to tighten this up. You do not want this to move. We have our 90 degrees right now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to engage the trigger. What I'm going to be controlling it is, this is from an air gun, pressure control. Just hook it in here, and then we'll apply air. Now let me get one of my rings. My rings, I have to grind down 16 thousandths. Now we're ready to get them measured. So just line it up. Get all the burrs, especially from the edges on the inside and the outside. And let's check it. One piece of advice I can give you: push the rings together and then flip it around. I always measure in the center of the bore, so I will tap it gently to make sure it's nice and square until I'm perfect with the surface on both sides. And measure. Use a little bit more for this one. Also, what I always do is, whatever cylinder I'm working on, I always cut the ring to the cylinder that is going on. Simply because machining, I had issues in the past with machining to where they would not machine everything 100% to spec. So you want to make sure that when you're doing your rings, it's going for that cylinder. So what I do is, once I get a ring done, I put it on the corresponding piston, and once I get them all done and ground, that's when I install them on the piston themselves.